All right, so here's the first piece, and they only had this in a white with black and red and a pink in the US. This is a purple in lavender in Paris. This is a bag that they did have in the US, a little less expensive here. Pretty cute little flap inside. This is a small flap. On to the next piece. Okay, another dress. I never saw this in the US. Pretty cool strap here. This is a 38. It does fit pretty tight and it's thicker fabric, but here's the thing. Not happening. But the colors are cool. And here's a matching bag in case you're interested. This is a dress I've never seen in the US stores. Pretty see-through, as you can see. I like the bows. It feels really nice on. Love the black lace detail. The see-throughness makes it a little less wearable than I would like it. But here's what it looks like. All right, here's a top. I also have not seen this in the States. Relatively comfortable. I just don't think it has the wow factor that I'm looking for. This is a 38. These are a 40, high waist, no go for me. Do not like high waist. Detail here, and you can see how they're gapping here in the back. So probably would go down to a 38, but then they'd be too tight here. So I think the fit's just a little bit off on these. Okay, and this is the last piece I'm going to show you. It's actually from Italy. It got transferred to France, and you can see the detail here up close. I don't know if this looks bling or if it looks Texan, so I look forward to your comments and feedback. Most of the rest of the pieces were pretty similar or identical to the last spring-summer video that I did from the United States, so I'll wrap up this one, and welcome to Paris.